Hey guys, welcome back to the Maga Family Channel.
Today we're doing a second guinea pig cage for outside, and we're gonna build a hideout castle for them. Well, we're gonna try, and we'll show you once again how we went to the store, pick up the stuff, and right now we're gonna start with the sea cage. I think that's the name of it. We have connectors for it, but we're not gonna use them. We're gonna use zip ties instead.
Let's do this.
Yes, let's do this. So this time is pretty much like last time. We have no plan. We have an idea to build a castle-looking hideout for outside, so they are not on an open space, so any big birds did not attack our guinea pigs. And so they have a little shade area to hide. So no plan, just going from store to store to see some supplies and maybe get inspired. So many bumps on the road. Okay guys, right from Depot, let's go get some plywood. I'm saying I don't need that big piece because it looks huge, but I think actually I might need it because we will need to make lots of cuts, and I just had an idea. I want to see if they have it. This kind of, I use this, oh they do have it. I use this kind for playroom, and I use this kind of wood for the panels for the Sebastian room. I remember they had something like this. Oh wow, it's heavy actually. But this would be cool for a castle because it looks like made out of stone. So I think I'm gonna get one of those, and it should be enough for all the things that we need to do for that castle hideout. I think that's gonna be cool. Okay guys, so about this stone looking panel, actually very excited. I think it's gonna be Stone Age castle. And got so lucky, that thing is actually so heavy. Got lucky, some older gentleman was driving by and he stopped to help me out to load it. Otherwise I don't know how I would do that because it's so wobbly, and at the same time it's so heavy. So okay, let's go home and start building.
Okay, so Allah had a plan, so here's the plan. We got two towers. We have one each two levels, one level, two level, and then we have slides that come down, and we kind of have like a hanging little bridge. So we're gonna see what we're gonna do. So we're gonna try to put this inside of the fence, or maybe put the fence on the back side to connect it all in one. We'll see. Here's our fence line, so we might just use that for the back. And then there's our Stone Age looking platform that we're going to use. Hopefully it looks cool. So we decided to go 2 feet tall on the columns, and we're going to go 8 by 8 so they have some room to play inside. So we're going to cut this 2 foot long and then cut them at 8 inches. We cut these at 28 inches tall. We actually adjusted it because Allah mentioned that we want to do the, I don't know what they're called, but they're crown tops of the castle. So we made them 28 inches tall. And now we're going to cut them this way. Make sure you cut them so you have the bricks facing this way and not longitude-wise. So this is Allah making the door. So what she did is she took a piece of paper and cut out the frame on one side, and now she's tracing over it, and we're getting this. Let's see if you can see this with the sun. We're getting this shape here. And then I'll take the jigsaw cut it. And right now it's just preparing. So the top door and bottom door. And then I'll start to cut. And she will continue on the next one. Okay, so right here we forgot to stop just to mention that's what we're doing, but basically we're making a little frame here, connecting these pieces of wood to this column, see? So we're putting nails in this. Basically we're just gonna do this and nail this together as well. But I figured we'd talk about this before we continue so you guys can see what we're doing. Alright, so here's the first one. That's how the column looks. So we have this opening here because that's where the bridge connects to the next one I'm going to make. But yeah, that's how it looks there. And I'm already setting up for my project here for the second part right here. The column's finished. So the idea is we're gonna put a 3-foot bridge inside of them, and just gonna look like kind of like that. There's 3 feet. So basically, we want to add the bridge so they can walk through it, and there we go. And one more thing is, this is just kind of how it looks all the way around there. So you can see how it's gonna look once we go inside the columns with the bridge to this section over here. It's like a Maverick Pro. See that? So this is what we decided to do for the bridge. So we're gonna connect that somehow. Still gotta figure that part out. But basically, that's it like that. Back up, see how it looks, so I can see it too. That looks like it's meant to be, yeah? Okay, so as you can see, it's a little hot out here, which is awesome. But anyways, that's how we connected it. So what I did, I don't know if you've seen, but basically I had no idea how to connect it. I didn't want to put nails to the side. So all I did was I put 2 hinges. That's a hinge and a hinge on this side. And basically I just put the platform to lay on top of those hinges. And I just kind of put a little brick finish to make it look cooler. So anyways, that's that, and then we're going to put green felt on top as well. So we put green felt, we're going to walk across, kind of like all grass. And then we're going to have 2 slides, one slide that comes out here, and then one slide that comes out here. So that's how they get to the top and go around, and hopefully they have fun. Oh look, there's Ezra getting a test run too. So it works, huh?
Yeah.
That's cool. There's your home. Hey guys, day number 2. So it got way too hot last time, so it's in the morning now. So we're gonna go ahead and continue our guinea pig project. So we got the 2 top towers. We want to put some slides coming down. So I'm gonna build some slides.
And I'm gonna do the outline of the castle. Show you is how we did the angles on the basically we put some slides down like this. So we have the original piece here. You basically want to make sure you have the bottom flat and the sides like this. So what you do is you make your lines. So in the time lapse you'll see all this. But anyways, it's too fast so we're gonna show you. So basically you want to keep whatever size you want, however high you want it, low you want it. You make the lines like this. You draw a line right here, cut it, and basically it's gonna look like this.
we already drew our lines, we cut it. And that's where, right there. That's how we want it. So Ala drew this castle here. Looks like Disney, right? Not quite Disney. So she's gonna have me cut this out. Which is gonna be real fun. She wants to add it to the top of the castle, so we'll see how that looks. So what's this gonna be?
Windows.
Windows?
Type of thing, yeah. Wow, it goes that deep.
Tiny little windows, huh?
Do you have any other?
No, it's cool. I like it.
We can do the clock.
Yeah?
Why is it take so long?
So she's making some windows right now. Oh. Go ahead, keep going.
No?
Yeah, go.
I think I got it.
Go until you hit that other piece. Go. Yep.
I got it.
Okay.
That's what I'm saying. I think I got it.
Still a pretty thick piece of wood, huh? Alright, so Ala's design pattern. This is it here. And you wanna do
We wanna do to cut out exactly the same shape of the roof and staple it on top, so that way it's gonna look a little bit more 3D.
yes. Okay, so we're gonna staple this little runway that Ala made. Okay guys, so it's finished. So just so you kind of get an idea of how big this thing is, it's kind of big. You like it, buddy? No, you cannot step on that. That's for guinea pigs, bud. No, that slide is not for you. You can play with it with cars. Yeah, so this thing is huge. So they're gonna have all kinds of fun. Put a 3D effect on here with Ala's idea here with the tops as well. And then with this middle part here, with the 3D look there. But yeah, there's I put that plywood down there just so I can see how flat we can get this, because we might put nails with this to nail it like this. But for right now, it's gonna leave it like this. But anyways, yeah, that's the guinea pig cage. As you can see, it's actually just as tall as my son. And it's 3 feet wide. I believe each one of these squares is a foot, so 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4.5 feet long. So yeah, there she is. Hey buddy, don't throw rocks at it. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this. Do it yourself. And when my kids get home with my wife from boating, they'll play with the guinea pigs and you guys can see how they do. There's the guineas. Hello Guinea. Butch? Butch. What's up Butch?
Yes,
Hi, Butch.
And Diva, what you doing down there?
she's already hiding.
She's eating. Oh wow, you can hear her like pulling. Listen.
Butch, you're on top of the castle, sorry, you are the king. Look at it, Butch is the king.
Well, Diva's eating.
She wants some grass.
Look at Butch.
I know, look at Ben.
Look at him.
Hello, bud.
He's just like chilling.
Hi.
Looks cute from that angle. Like he's a bowl cut.
Uh-huh. I think he's gonna go down.
No, let's see, let's see.
Yeah, I think he's going down.
You're going down. Isaac, come down. So it's good.
Yeah, good angle.
They like those little shadows.
I think they're gonna like it.
Oh yeah.
Hey, no,
Look at, they're just tearing up that grass. Look.
They like wood. Just this way. Hey, we can do this on this.
I hope you guys like our DIY project and our video. If you did, please don't forget to click that thumbs up for us, and if you're not subscribed to us yet, click that subscribe button, and we have a little bit of everything for everyone on our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!